So example number 3, percentage chapter. Okay, width of a rectangle is 40% of its length. Okay, so one relation is given to me of this particular rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Okay, the rectangle is made up of length and breadth. Okay, so it says width. This is also called width. Okay, width. So width of the rectangle. So this is B. Is this is 40. This is called per. This is called cent. Of, this is called of its length. It is this length. Okay, so this I can solve further. So this 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. So when I cross multiply, I will get 5b is equal to 2l. Okay, so that's what I have understood by this first statement. Second, what it says, its perimeter is 56 units. So perimeter, so when I say perimeter means what? Means sum of all the boundaries. So that perimeter comes out to 2l plus b. This is given to you, which is 56 units. So in this equation, I will going to divide by 2. So when I divide by 2, what I'll get? I will get l plus b, or else no need to divide by 2. I will just expand this. So I will get 2l plus 2b is equal to 56. Okay, so I know the 2l. What is this 2l? 2l is 5b. So I can substitute here 5b, and I will get 5b plus 2b is equal to 56. So 5b plus 2b is 7b. 7b is equal to 56. So when I solve this, I will get the value of b as 56 upon 7. That comes out to 8. So 8 unit is the breadth. So I got this as 8 unit. This is 8 unit. Now how to find L? Here I have the formula for this L. Okay, here there is a formula for L. What is that? L is equal to 5 into B. What is my B? B is 8. Divide by 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 5 4 ja 20. So my length is 20. I have got this length as 20. So length I have as 20, breadth I have as 10. Then it says find its area. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. That is 20 into 8. So 8 to just 16 and 160. So 160 square units will be the area of this particular rectangle. Clear? Fine. So next question which we have is the price of the coffee is increased by 15%. Okay. And housewife reduces her consumption of coffee by 15%. Find percentage change in expense on coffee. Okay, so here I will going to assume the price of the coffee is increased by 15%. So initial cost which I will going to assume of this price of the cost of coffee be 100. Now this is increased by how much? 15%. So now, okay, now the cost will be what? Now the cost will be 100 plus 15% of initial cost. So that comes out to 115. 100 plus 15 is 115. Now, housewife reduce her consumption of coffee by 15%. So initially, okay, initial consumption of the coffee be 100%. Now what they have done? They have reduced. Okay, means decreased by 15%. So if it is decreased, what I'll do? I will do minus 15% of the consumption, that is 100. So this will cancel. I will get 100 minus 15, that is 85. Okay, so what was the initial expense? Initial expense, okay, will be what? Initial expense will be your cost, okay, and then into your consumption. So it is cost into your consumption. So that comes out to be 100 into 100, which is nothing but your 10,000. Fine. So initial expense was this. Now what will be the now what is the expense? Now expense or final expense? Final expense will be what? Final expense is your cost. The cost is what? Cost is 115 and your consumption is 85. So when you multiply this, you will get 9775. So initial your expense was this much, and now after the increase of this, it becomes what? 9775. So this is decrease the consumption, right? So my initial expense is 10,000, and my now my final expense is 9,775. So this has gone down. Okay, so what is the question? In question they say that find percentage change in expense on coffee. Okay, percentage change I need to find. So the formula is what? Percentage change will be what? Will be the difference of these two. Okay, that is your 10,000 minus 79775 divided by initial expense was what? It was 10,000. Okay, since I need to find the percentage, I'm going to multiply by 100 and then I'll give percentage sign. So when you solve this, you will get 2.25 percentage as the final answer. Got it? Okay, fine. So it says what percentage of 1 minute. So it says what percentage. So I don't know. I don't know what percentage. So I will give x percent of 1 minute is 2 seconds. But this is 1 minute. So I need to convert this into seconds. So I will going to multiply by 60. Okay, now this I will going to solve. This 0, 0 cancel. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja. So here answer of x will be 5 to the 10. 10 divided by 3. This will be your answer. Got it?
Yes.
Fine. So this 10 by 3 is not the correct option. So now I observe that here it is 3 seconds, not 2 seconds. So I need to make this correction. This should be 3. So my x will be 5 into 3 divided by 3. This 3 cancel and I will get 5. So B is the correct option. Okay. So question number 6, it says if x is 50% of y, then what percent of x is y? So I need to find this question mark. So this question mark will be what? 100 into y divided by x. So from here I can say my y by x is 100 upon 50. Okay, so this I will going to substitute over here. So I'll get 100 into 100 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 1 5, 5 2 10. So answer will be 200. So D is the answer for this. Okay, got it? Okay, so n percentage. I will write n percent multiply again n percent is equal to n percent plus n percent. Okay, so here I can multiply by 100 on both the sides. I'm going to multiply by 100, multiply by 100. Okay, here also I'm going to multiply by, say, multiply by 100. So this 100 cancel, this 100 cancel, this 100 cancel. What I will get? I will get n into n, that is n square. N square by 100 is equal to, I will get n plus n, that is nothing but 2n. Okay, now here I can cancel 1n here, 1n here. Then ultimately what I'll do? I will do cross multiply. This 100 will come up. So it will become 100 into 2. That is nothing but 200. So 200 is the answer. Okay, so they are saying half of half percent. So half I will going to write like this. Of I will going to write like this. Half again I will going to write like this. Percent. Per means this. Cent means this. Okay, so this I will going to write as 1 upon 2 into 2 into 100. Okay, I will going to multiply by 5, multiply by 5, again multiply by 5, and again multiply by 5. I will get 5 5 are 25 divided by, this is 10, this is 10. So 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 100 is 10,000. So decimal point is here 1 2 3 4. Decimal point is here 1 2 3 4. So my answer will be 0.0025. This will be my answer. Got it? So here it says A salary is 20% less. So this A salary is less. How much? By 20%. Okay, then B salary. So then this. So here what I'll do, what I'm going to assume, I will assume let B's salary be 100%. Then A's salary will be what? 20% less. So that will be 100 minus 20% of this salary, which comes out to be your 80. Then what it says? Then it says find the percentage by which B salary is more than A salary. Okay, B salary is more. So I will going to write A here, B here. A salary is what? 80, and B salary is 100. So what percentage is it? Is more. That's what I need to find. So percentage increase I need to find. What is that? Change in the salary divided by original. So change in the salary will be 100 minus 80. What is original? Original is 80 into 100. That comes out to be 20 upon 80 into 100. 0 0 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 4 1 ja 4 25 ja. So 25% will be the answer. Got it? If the radius of the circle is increased by 10%, so I have a circle. Okay, this circle's radius is increased by how much? By 10%. So this is my old circle and this is my new circle. So if the radius of old, this is old r and this is new r. So if the old r is 100 and it is now increased by 10%, so that will become my 110. By what percent will increase the area of the increase the area of the circle? Okay, so if radius is increasing, then obviously area will also increase. So what is the area of the old circle? It is area of the circle is pi r square. So I'll write pi, r is 100 the whole square, and the new circle's area will be pi into 110 the whole square. I need to find percentage increase in area of the circle. So I will do change in the areas of these two circles. So I will going to do pi 110 the whole square minus pi 100 the whole square divided by original, okay, initial value, that is pi and 100 square. Okay, since it is percentage, I have to multiply by 100 and then percentage sign. This I will going to solve further. Now see, from here pi I can take common, so I have taken common pi, and then in bracket I will get 110 the whole square minus 100 the whole square divided by pi into 100 the whole square, okay, into 100. So I can do one thing. What? This 100 and this 100 I can cancel, this pi and pi I can cancel, and here I will going to apply a square minus b square formula. Now a square minus b square formula is what? Just a minute. So this is a square minus b square. 110 minus 100, it will be 10. Okay, and 110 plus 100, it will be 210 divided by 100. So I can cancel this 0 and 0. I will get answer as 21% increase. So this is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.